Hello students, once again welcome to the English classroom, and today I am going to discuss about the uses of the tenses. I already discussed about the uses of the tenses in my last 3 videos. I discussed about the 4 parts of the present tense, that is simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. I also discussed about past tense, that is simple past and past continuous. Now I am going to discuss about in this video past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now students, this video is not for any specific class, it is for everyone, because unless and until you have a full knowledge of tense, you will not be able to write proper English. Okay, so know about the tense. Okay, to write proper English, to speak proper English, tense is very necessary. So let's start today with past perfect tense. Okay, when do we use past perfect tense? Listen very carefully. It is used to express an action which had been completed at some part in the past, okay, which had been completed in the some part of the past time before another action was commenced. Look, before another action was commenced, it had been completed. Look, I have also made a chart like this. First action completed, second action took place. Look, second action took place, okay, and before that this first action completed. Look, example, the train had left. In past perfect tense I have told, train had left. Before they reached the station means they reached the station in the past, and before that the train had left. Okay, look, this type of sentence you will write in past perfect tense. Once again, look, the train had left before they reached the station. They reached the station in the past, I'm telling they reached the station, but before this action took place. Okay, the train had left. Look here, the patient had died before the doctor came. Look, the doctor came in the past, but before the doctor came, this action took place. The patient had died. Look, if you are not clear with these two examples, I have given another example. The bell had rung before we reached school. We reached school in the past, but before that, the bell had rung. The students had entered the class before the teacher came. Look, the teacher came, but before that, student had entered the class. Okay, I have also given the rules. Subject plus had plus third form of verb. Okay, third form of verb. Once again, go, went, gone. Gone is the third form of verb. Do, did, done. Done is the third form of verb. Write, wrote, written. Written is the third form of verb. Now to make it more clear, you have to make sentences with past perfect tense. Now let's come to the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, this is the last part in the past tense, and in my next video I will discuss about the future tense. Okay, now when do we use past perfect continuous tense? The past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before a certain point. Look very nicely, that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. Means in a past it had begun, it had continued in past for some time. Okay, example, look, she had been singing for 2 hours. That means in the past, okay, in the past she had been singing for 2 hours. Okay, continuously singing for 2 hours. Look, another sentence I have given. She had been singing for 2 hours when you came. Means in the past you came, and before that 2 hours she had been singing. And look, another sentence I have given. At that time, he had been writing a novel for 2 months. Means when you visited his house, he had been writing a novel. Okay, and that too for 2 months. Means for 2 months he had been continuously writing that in the past period. Okay, for example, you can tell that my father had been working in TCS from 2010 to 2015. Means in the past, for continuously few years or few months he had been doing that job. Okay, look, the rule over is subject plus had plus been plus verbing. Okay, had, been plus verbing with verb ing. It's the rule of past perfect continuous tense. Now to become more clear, you have to make sentences with past perfect continuous tense. Clear? Goodbye. We will meet in the next video with future tense.